Hello everyone, welcome to the knowledge sharing platform Freedom Freak. If you're new here, we focus on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going back to basics and exploring what Bitcoin is, its working principles, and its historical significance. We'll also highlight why Bitcoin could be the answer to preserving wealth, particularly in economies hit hard by inflation or currency devaluation. Let's dive right in. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is a decentralized digital currency that allows peer-to-peer transactions without needing a central bank or an administrator. In simple terms, it's digital cash you can use for online transactions without a middleman, such as a bank. How it works? Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a digital ledger called the blockchain, where they are verified by a network of computers through solving complex mathematical equations, a process known as mining. Miners are rewarded with more Bitcoin for their efforts. Historical significance of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. One key objective was to develop a system independent of central authorities like governments and banks, which had played a part in triggering the global financial crisis. Currency devaluation. Since the world moved off the gold standard in 1971, traditional currencies like the Indian rupee and the US dollar have significantly depreciated due to factors like inflation, interest rates, and economic stability. However, the situation is even more dire in some countries. Over the past decade, currencies like the Argentine peso, Venezuelan bolivar, and the Turkish lira have lost over 99% of their value due to hyperinflation. Socioeconomic aspect. This brings us to the socioeconomic aspect of Bitcoin. In countries like India and China, people often invest their wealth in real estate as a means of safeguarding it from currency devaluation. However, this inflates the real estate market beyond its utility value, making it unaffordable for individuals who need the land for practical purposes, such as farming. This affects human productivity as a whole. In contrast, Bitcoin is immune to inflation because it has a finite supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity, coupled with increasing demand, has led to its significant price appreciation over the years. Why the world needs Bitcoin? People in countries experiencing hyperinflation, such as Argentina, Venezuela, and Turkey, are turning to Bitcoin to preserve their wealth. With Bitcoin, the purchasing power of your savings could increase over time. Governments can't print more Bitcoin to devalue your savings, which potentially reduces corruption as politicians lose their power to manipulate the economy. This shift in power dynamics is already evident in El Salvador, which made Bitcoin a legal tender in 2021. More countries may follow suit, embracing Bitcoin not just as an investment, but as a viable everyday currency. Bitcoin, with its decentralization, limited supply, and potential as a hedge against inflation, offers a promising alternative to traditional fiat currencies. It's a new kind of money for a digital and increasingly globalized world, offering a solution to individuals in countries where the local currency is unstable. That wraps up our Bitcoin guide for beginners. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts and queries, please leave them in a comment. I will answer all your questions.